Who was that who slammed me to the ground? He weak as hell.
On September 7th, 2023, officers were dispatched to a residence to apprehend a man with several arrest warrants. After a short chase on foot, the officers suspected the man had entered the home through the back door.
Is anyone else in the house right now? Mind if we check inside? Because the dude has an ankle monitor, and they're saying he's pinging at this spot. I'm asking you because the dude is making threats basically to his female. And so a halfway house called us about him, so we're just trying to get the guy. I get you, but I explained it to you, right? Is that it came to 802. So that's why we're checking. I just happened to see you in your car. So just for safety, I just like to make sure he's not in there in case he's threatening you or anything. And if there's anything in there, I don't care. I just want to make sure he's not here so we can know that the halfway house is safe. That's all.
Contact Genesis and see if they can find out if it's something.
I'm sorry, what you said? Okay.
The woman claimed no knowledge of the man and refused to grant consent for a home search.
Yo, so I rolled up. Burglar was by this Jeep.
So
He took off down. Yeah, he took off down this way.
Okay.
I got back there in a second. He's got to be inside still.
My car. So.
He's got to be inside still.
She's saying she lives here. She's claiming like no one else in there.
Yeah.
And she's not giving any consent for us to go in there.
We ain't gonna be able to get in there unless you can say 100% that he went into it, but
I
we got to delay a flight, you know?
Yeah.
Who's the girl?
Owner of the car didn't catch it.
So how long is this gonna take? Cause I got.
Give me 1 second. She wants to know how long this is going to take because she has things to do.
Whose
So
house is this?
this is hers. And she said we can't go in.
The woman was briefed, being informed that the apprehension of the man believed to be in the home would take as much time as necessary.
How do you not? APA.
Hey, dude. All right, so I just got here. I'm Officer Constantino. So you got kids in here, you got family, you know, all around. You got a bunch of cops around the house. You don't want to get yourself in any kind of trouble. Let's just get this done so everyone can just leave. You can leave, you know, we'll leave. You can get on with your business. Well, if you would just allow me and my partner to walk through with you real quick, well, that's fine. And then when the search warrant gets here, then you're going to end up going to jail for what we find out, okay? It's called obstructing official business or obstructing justice.
How is that? Because I didn't give my name. Because I went to call a lawyer to see if it's legal.
Dear, if you don't give your name, and if he ends up being hiding in your house, the person that we believe to be there.
In my car, how is me?
Dear, I'm just telling you what's happening, and I'm giving you every opportunity, and I'm hoping that you can make a good decision for yourself and for your children, and hopefully then, you know, we can get this done.
That don't even make sense.
Okay. Hey, dear, or you could just roll the dice and just hope.
That's why I need to contact my lawyer because that don't even make sense.
Okay.
How is me sitting? Y'all physically see me sitting in my car. Never.
I just got here. I have no idea.
But I'm saying, the officer that just tried to talk to me, him right there.
Hey, dear, that's fine.
But I'm saying,
and when the
right there, he just said that he seen me sitting in the car.
When the search warrant gets here, and we do go in the house. Hey, that's fine. That's fine. When the search warrant gets here and we do go in your house, and then when we arrest him, and we'll come back out here and we'll arrest you, and then whatever happens, you know, in regards to everything else.
My kids get picked up right now. Like that's not a big deal because.
You might want to make arrangements because that is going to be the next step.
I understand that.
So if you want to be away from your children, that's fine.
I'm not going to be away from my children because I'm going to get bonded out today.
Okay.
Anything because I'm going to fight this because there's no way in the world that y'all going to try to arrest me. And
or we can just work this out together right now.
But I'm saying,
and you just walk me through, show me he's not there, and then we're done.
There's no need for me to do that because I know for a fact
the search warrant is the other option. Then you're going to go to jail, and then you also have damaged property. Don't you want to release?
My door has been damaged numerous times because break-ins, because y'all motherfuckers don't do shit. So.
That's why we're trying to
I know
really
for a
make a
fact
difference
that I'm not going to jail for no official obstructing of anything because of the simple fact.
I'm telling you right now, you're wrong about that.
But I'm letting you know that charge is going to get dropped because I was sitting in my car.
But you're still going to go to jail.
I don't care.
We're just asking for your cooperation in the investigation. All right.
I'm going to get bonded out within a couple of hours. I'm telling you that right now.
You guys see him going?
So y'all have a good one.
woman persisted in her lack of cooperation. However, further investigation revealed that the man had cut off his ankle monitor but was still located at the address. Additionally, separate threats made by the man caused a halfway house lockdown. These circumstances justified the officer's decision to forcibly enter the home. Moreover, it was discovered that the woman sitting in the vehicle had a suspended license.
This is warrant for?
DV, assault, and some other bullshit.
Let's pull her out since she's suspended too and start working that. Hey, you're suspended. So can you step out for me, please? Your vehicle's running. You're suspended. You're right. Step out for me. You're suspended.
Okay. My kids are in this car.
Step out for me, please. You're suspended. You don't have a driver's
My
license.
vehicle is not moving. Like, what are you talking
Still
about?
in possession of the vehicle.
Step out for me.
I'm not in possession.
You're running a vehicle right now. Step
That's
out for me,
illegal.
please.
No, stop.
That's illegal.
Hey, dear. Hey,
That is illegal.
dear.
Stop.
Telling you
I'm
right
telling
now.
you right now, my vehicle,
about
y'all
to
see me
fight
start
you.
this vehicle. So, run y'all little body cams back, because y'all just see me start this vehicle.
Dear, you want to? Let's alleviate all of this.
I'm not-
Just tell
ain't
Nicholas
no
to come out.
alleviate
Just tell
anything.
Nicholas to come out.
What?
Just tell Nicholas to come out. Yes,
I don't
he's
even
in there.
know where- I
He's
don't know
pinging in
where
there. He
he's
has a
at. I don't know where
GPS
he's
monitor
at.
on him.
Okay, but I seen motherfuckers run. So I don't know where the fuck anybody went.
Dear.
I was in my car this whole time.
Why do I this freaking
Devon,
car?
back up.
Hey.
They're not doing anything.
Listen to me.
They're not doing anything.
I don't want to do
Can
it.
you like, there's bees in my motherfucking car. Can you close my door?
I don't want to
Can
do
you
it.
close my door?
No, I can't.
The reason I started this car was for these bees, not to sting my motherfucking kids that's allergic to fucking bees.
Step out.
Can you close
Step
my
out.
car?
Step out right now.
Please.
You're suspending. You have a car running right now. Step
Oh
out.
my God, I am not doing that. Y'all not arresting, if y'all not arresting me, I'm not stepping out of nothing. I ain't even gonna lie to you, because I didn't move this vehicle. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
I got really bad news for you. Alright, you ready for
Oh
this?
my God, there is bees and my kids are f***ing allergic.
Okay, I got an EpiPen with me, so we're good. So here's the bad news. I have a GPS monitor that's inside that place that
Okay,
tells
I
me
understand
Nicholas is there.
Can you turn the car off?
understand
Also, you're not allowed to drive it.
Okay,
He's also got a bond
Well-
forfeiture that says we can go in that house
Okay.
any time of day. So here's what I'm going to tell you.
In
is
what
we're
house?
going
Not
through.
my house.
Oh yeah, he's got a bond
y'all gonna have
forfeiture
to
in
have a
regards
search
to.
warrant for my house.
We're getting that as well, but now we don't have to. But with
His
that being
bond is
said,
not
as soon
at
as
my
I
house,
go in
so-
there, as soon as I go in there, because his GPS is in
I
there,
don't know who this person is.
I'm
that y'all
going
even
to be
talking
arresting you when we're done. So I'm
The
asking
charges
you,
aren't gonna
give me the
stick.
keys and give us consent, or we're going to be knocking the
charges
door
ain't
open,
gonna
then
be-
you're going to get more
about.
charges.
Okay, go do what you gotta do.
all right.
Can y'all close my door, please? Thank you.
Where's your keys at, though? Give me your keys.
No, you can have a car key.
I want the car key.
Okay, then I'm gonna give it to you.
Thank you.
Wait, why do y'all need my car key?
Because I don't want you driving
Oh
off and
no,
hitting
y'all
my
can grab a
officers.
shit. Bye.
All right, fine. Or we'll just pull you up and tow it. We don't want to do that. So just
You ain't
hand the
towing
key.
nothing.
Hand the car key over.
Bye.
Why do you want to be like this? You're going to make it
Y'all
worse
ain't
for
getting shit.
yourself.
Bye.
Your children are in the back
I
of this
don't give a
car.
You are acting a fool.
I could
That's
tell.
I'm not
I
acting
could
a
tell.
damn
That is
nothing.
totally
I
apparent.
cuss around my kids. I don't know about y'all, but I do. This is private motherfucking property. I don't know what the y'all talking about. I don't know.
You're not allowed to drive on private property either. Suspended.
Bookie, this is my property. I ain't drive shit in this. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Y'all ain't move. Y'all ain't see me move shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Brittany, stay here. She does not drive.
Sorry.
Grab those keys.
Y'all ain't
Door
gonna grab no
doesn't
keys.
shut.
Okay. Well, y'all can close my door though.
No, the door's not shutting.
All right. Well.
Dude, let me go get my slip. It's the Elyria Police Department. Tell me if you're in here. Answer me or I'm forcing the door in. It's the Elyria Police Department. Rear.
Phone in.
Hands up, hands up. Hands up. Hands up, stop.
Get on the ground. Right now. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Holster.
Ain't no need for that, man.
Shut up. Hey, Brittany. Duck off. Duck off.
I got you.
Damn, cuz.
Got him? Yep.
There ain't no need for that, man. I was standing
Don't
good.
run. You won't get this.
I ain't run. I was in the house laying down, man.
Bullshit.
I was.
Bullshit.
Waiting for y'all.
Nope.
I was waiting for y'all.
Tuck your knees to your chest. Tuck your knees to your chest.
Stay right here. We're going to have to get that.
So what's y'all laws for breastfeeding mothers? Because I breastfeed my daughter.
Hey, Taylor. Don't worry about it, baby. I'll be home.
Oh my God!
I don't want to pull the baby away from you, okay? So put the baby in the back seat. Don't make this more difficult. You've already gotten us to this point. You want us to rip you out in front of your kids? Is that what you want? I would never do that. I'm a mom. I got 6 kids. Why would you let it get this far? Alright. We're done playing with you. Come on, baby. You're going to go in the back seat. It's alright, sweetie. Can you please not make this difficult for your child? You're going to make us take your child away from you?
Hey, Brittany, if you want to take her child, I'll be sure.
Alright. Come here, baby. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Don't fight, don't fight, don't fight. Don't fight.
It's okay.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Alright.
I'll take you
My daughter! You dumbass! Get my daughter!
We are getting dog.
Okay, you got her.
It's on the other side.
Hey. Hey, it's okay.
Can I have my phone?
Going with you?
Yeah.
Can I get my daughter? Is that fine?
They're getting your
We're
daughter.
getting her right now.
Can I have my phone?
We will move your feet apart for me.
My feet is apart.
A little bit more for me, please.
I have a back problem. My feet is apart.
Yeah, check is going to be uncomfortable.
And I say my feet is apart.
You got anything else on you? Anything that's gonna poke me
Does it
or?
look like I got anything on me?
I'm
not
asking
wearing
you.
panties.
Listen.
And I'm on my period. I just want to let you know that.
Okay, thank you. Are you wearing a bra, hon?
No.
Okay. All right. Actually, I'm gonna have you search her real quick.
Can I have my phone?
We'll get it to you. We can't have you have it, but we'll make sure it gets to county. Not yet. No, I don't know if they have it, but we can get it.
And can y'all get my keys off the top of that car? And put it in my personal property too?
We have to get her info.
Your keys, is it a lanyard or what is it?
No, it's attached to my AirPods and he put it on the top of my car when he stopped my
I'll
car.
grab that. You still need her ID?
Yeah, of course.
So can I not have my phone? To
Not with
somebody?
you, no.
Why?
I told you this was going to happen. This is not what we wanted. This is ridiculous that it even had to go this way. You had every opportunity to not have this happen.
Hunter, is this your stuff right here? Okay.
Who are we calling for your children? Let's just step back from this whole thing. Let's get...
I can't tell you because I don't have my phone.
I'll get it for you. But who are you going to call? You have somebody? Okay.
That's what I was trying
How
to
far? I know. I told you to go ahead and get that going, but you didn't.
That's what I was doing.
You got her phone, too? Okay. Make it a good phone call, though. We're not going to be answering text messages for everybody else. You're going to call whoever it is, and that's it. If not, I got to go call Children's Services. She's calling now.
Hello? Can you come and get my kids, please?
Your what?
Can you please hurry up and come and get my kids? I'm going to jail.
Why?
I'm going to jail. Can you please come and get my kids?
Okay,
I'll explain everything when I get out later.
from where?
From my house.
And who's gonna be with them?
The police department. Come get the children, or we got to call Children's Services. How long until you're going to get here?
Well, I'm gonna have to. It's gonna be like 40 minutes. Is that okay?
No, it's too long.
Okay, well, then I'll just can you please
Hold
come?
on. Let me. What's today? Hold on.
Today's Thursday.
Let me call my grandpa and see if he can come around the corner and pick them up until I get them.
You need to call somebody else in the meantime, too, to get that started. You might want to do that. Hey, dear, we're not sitting here doing text messages.
Hello?
Make the phone call and be done. I don't want to take the phone from you.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to get. You just told I'm going to jail. So, is there a possibility that you could come and get the kids?
Yeah, where you at?
I'm at my house. I'm in the cop car. I'm getting arrested.
You're not gonna have a bond. You have no bond. It's a felony.
What's the felony? What's
You
the
just got
charge?
obstructing justice, like I told you.
How is that a felony?
It's a felony.
How are you obstructing justice?
So just so you know, you have no bond. We told you this was gonna happen.
Are y'all able to wait 5 minutes so she can come get the kids?
Yes, 5 minutes. They have 2 different people coming. Should be your choice. Any questions for me? We did everything we said was gonna happen. You should have just listened to us from the start. Maybe next time you.
Does she have her wallet and stuff? I need her food stamp card to
Here,
feed
hold
these
on
kids
one
and
second, dude.
everything.
Hold on one second. Let's get this done first, and then we'll get you whatever you need. She obstructed justice by trying to interfere with a law enforcement investigation during a foot pursuit. Someone who had a warrant ran into the house. She obstructed officers. We had a forced entry and go in. She told.
Today?
Yeah.
All this, somebody ran into her house today.
Yeah, but she allowed him in there. She knew he was in there. You know, wouldn't tell us what was going on. So because she lied, stopped us from doing our job. Yep. So we had a forced entry and go get him, and that's what she got charged with. She also had. Yeah. She even used the children to try to stop us from arresting her.
Don't take my money and shit. Turn your body cam on. Turn your body cam on. Hey, record that shit. Hey, who was that who slammed me to the ground? He weak as hell. I wasn't talking to y'all. I was talking to that the black dude. Black pinching me like a little. You cool though. You always been cool. Yeah, pinching me like, look. Hey, my ankle monitor upstairs. Go tell your boys. Tell them real quick. Tell them my ankle monitor upstairs on the floor.
We already got it.
Oh, y'all did? My baby mama for that. She see me this and do that. Y'all for trying to take her to jail. I was on the phone with her the whole time. Y'all knew that though, right? Y'all ain't stupid. Y'all had that search warrant? Let me see it.
Man, I'm good on me.
Nah, I want to see it. You got to present a search warrant to kick in the door. I'm not stupid. I know my laws,
We
gangster.
talked and announced.
Huh?
We announced.
No, y'all didn't. She told me. She said they just kick in my door. They didn't tell me. If y'all would have told me her you're going to kick her door in, I'd have came out. That's
Because you were inside. We knew you were inside.
how you knew that.
I watched you, man.
You ain't watched me. I thought I slicked it. Hold on, how y'all get my Reggie?
What's up?
How y'all get my boy Reggie?
He's fast, but I'm a bit faster.
Oh, who called him?
What's up? Who did you catch him?
Huh?
Who did you catch? I can't remember.
Was it hard?
What's up?
Did he almost get away?
Nah. Too close to him this time.
No lie, I ain't gonna lie. Dude can't whoop me on the streets. None of them. None of them can.
I bet you can't outrun you. That runs fast.
The black guy?
Yeah, Reggie.
Huh?
Reggie.
Oh yeah, Reggie good.
He's fast.
No, I'm talking about y'all cops. Y'all can't whoop me. Y'all just punch. Like he tried slamming the floor. Like what I tell you, bro? I put my hands behind my back. Leave me alone. Ain't that what I told you? Was you back there when I put my hands behind my back?
No, man.
I put my hands straight behind my back. I said, just take me to jail. Dude, just slam me. Huh?
I was in the front.
Oh, you were the one who kicked the door?
I was with them.
Bro, you should have just told her. If you would have told her, I would have came out. Y'all know that's y'all kicked her door and took her kids. Y'all ain't give her that warning.
Well, we gave her plenty of.
No, I heard y'all on the phone. Y'all ain't tell her that. Y'all was just trying to take her car and shit. I'm like, y'all can't do that. That's stupid. That's some ass shit, boy. Y'all got a gangster, though. I'm trying to say I ain't a gangster. I'm more cut than any of these straight gangsters. And I want all my money, too. Count it out. Reggie! What warrant I had? What made y'all come and get me? My baby mom called?
No. Apparently you kept calling Genesis House, something like that.
That's a lie.
Alright.
Who said that?
Genesis House.
Why they lie for my baby mom?
Are you living right now at
Nah, I live at 2 with my baby girl.
You living at 2?
With my baby. Psych, no. I stay wherever I want. Don't put no address. Yeah.
I gotta put something, man. Is that your baby mom?
Who?
At 802.
I'm her. That's how good my is. You see how good it is?
Yeah.
That shit pretty good, ain't it?
Well, see, that's why the other guy was pinching you.
Why?
You said it.
Oh, cause my
Yeah.
Oh, probably a little